Here is the mini fridge. It's a lot smaller than I expected, to be honest. I guess I should have looked at the dimensions. Like, here's my hand, and I have small hands. And then you open it up, and it's got this. I bought this so that I could use it for my dog shots, and it don't fit in there. So I have to take this out. And just because I didn't want to like get rid of that, I'm just gonna put it at the bottom. It's hard to do this with two hands. And then I have to set this upright. And then I can sit all my medications in there. And then as far as like this little thing, I don't know what they expect you to fit in there. Maybe a sandwich, I don't know. Like, there's not enough room there for really anything. So I'm just gonna put my syringes there.
It's cute, but tiny. It holds one of my insulin pens, and if I put it sideways, it will hold one bottle of Diet Dr. Pepper. I do think that if I had cans, I could probably get 4 in there if I put some upwards and some sideways. But this is mostly just good for, you know, meds you need close by, makeup. I would not, unless you're literally carrying your lunch with you, I wouldn't travel with it. Yeah, it's good for small things. It has its purpose. It's not expensive. It's cute. Works well. No problems.
Hilton. This is not going as planned.
She cute.
I think I have enough juice for today too.